Ojong ka wadi nyime wairani ywaruok weche mag siasa tache county man Nandi kendo MCAs gi Gavana Sang ywaruok makamano ichwalo gi moko kuom MCAs madwaro ni Gavana Sang ogwee tao nikech mibadhi kaachiel gi tiyo marach gi pesa jopiny. Korka kore Sang wacho ni moko kuom MCAs nomiyo omenda gi josiasa mobalo kode mondo othiche e apis gino ma MCAs go okwedo mokalo.
To state categorically that the committee and the report was not compromised in any way, as evidenced by the fact that all the deliberations were aired in public for everyone to see and draw their own judgment. The least we would have expected from the county governor was to point out the areas which, according to him, were fabricated, inaccurate, and outrightly false.
What we saw yesterday was just diversionary tactic to divert the public and everyone else that what we have is not a report. What we have is a political machination, or as he says, but it isn't. It is a very, very scientific document.
I'm telling the Nandi people that the ad hoc committee are still intact. The 19 of us who adopted the report, even though there were some challenges on the floor, but the report is still alive.